Folks, the liberal media and Dems are at it again, spinning yarns about Trump firing Pete Hegseth. Let's debunk this circus in 60 seconds. Firing? Ha! Trump calls Hegseth phenomenal. But CNN screaming, pink slip, like chill, it's a witch hunt. Signal chat scandal? Dems say Hegseth leaked secrets. Nope, just spicy memes, no classified tea spilled. Schumer's meltdown. Chuck's demanding resignations over Yemen strikes that worked. Someone get him a map. Old dirt, new spin. Media's recycling Hegseth's past like it's a Netflix reboot. No charges, just drama. Leaky Pentagon pals. Those leaks, salty ex-employees, not Hegseth's fault. Shady, unqualified. Police. Dems say Hegseth's green, but he's a combat vet with a Senate thumbs up. Next, Smear City, ex-post scream. This is a liberal plot to dunk on Trump. They're not wrong, so no firing, just fibs. Stay woke to the media's jokes, folks. Peace out. Follow for more truth bombs. Drop it below. Which Dem meltdown should we frame as the poster child for incompetence this month?